So we're back with a brand new product. This is from Ampere. They give us at CES. We want to showcase it a little bit. This is a great travel kit. It's an 8-in-1 travel kit. Great for anyone on the go. Let's open it from the bottom here, actually. Yeah, there you go. Pops right out here. And it is a small little case, very clean, very well organized. Magnetic lip there, and then boom. You have so much in here going on. First and primarily, you have your cord right here. This is your traditional USB-C to USB-C cord. Great for if you've got a USB-C block to plug that into. If you don't have USB-C on one side, don't worry. They come with an adapter, USB-C to USB-A right there. Boom, good to go. Oh, what if the device that you have that you're trying to charge isn't USB-C? It's an older device. It's going to be your micro. Don't worry. Boom. Got that covered too. Oh, what if I use Apple products? Oh, well, don't worry. We got that covered too. Just swap out this cap here. Boom. Lightning, in case you don't have the newest iPhone. What if it's not a matter of my iPhone, it's my watch. My watch is dead. I need my iPhone watch. Boom. Magnetic charger for your Apple Watch. This is just so much all in one. It's crazy how this simple device can basically take your needs and just give you everything you need on the go, where you're going. And on top of that, it's so easy to kind of put it right back in there. Good to go for next time. And now you are the king of the road trip with everybody wanting to jack your multi-cord pack. And it's compact and convenient. This will be in every single one of my travel bags from now on, whether I be going to conventions, whether I be going on vacation, or whether I'm just going to the office. I will always have this available for me, so if I need to charge my device to someone else's, it'll come in clinch. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.